The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm going to present to you a edited video that shows a incident that happened within the country of Jamaica. This edited video shows when a police officer used something that is considered to be a weapon and hit a person and wounded the person. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Jamaica this had happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly when this incident happened. You see me? I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly why this whole incident happened that led to the point where a police officer hit a person and wounded the person. But however, this edited video contains pieces of videos that are out on social media that shows of the incident that happened, and many comments have been made on social media about the incident. You see me? Some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police used unnecessary force. You see me? And some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the police was just doing his job. You see me? Some of the comments also gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that this had happened because these persons were doing something that is considered to be illegal vending. But however, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present to you this edited video so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what to think about the incident and also the edited video as well. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this edited video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this edited video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here is the edited video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Bombard! Yo! Bombard! No, sir. This need crowd. This one crowd to blood clot. No. Could I get rid of Gian? Jesus! You never have to keep him. You never have to keep him in fear, so could I?
Viewers and subscribers, in my point of view about the whole situation, you see me, and I'm talking about the incident, you see me, and I'm going to tell you according to the things that I saw in the video, you see me, I think that the situation could have been dealt with a little better, you see me I say, and I'm talking from both sides to, you know, viewers and subscribers. I'm not going to just blame and say, hey, the police officers are wrong, and I'm not going to blame and say, those persons were wrong. No, I'm talking about from both sides. You see what I'm saying to you? I don't agree with anyone getting hurt. You see me I say? I don't agree with anyone getting hurt or anyone being wounded, no matter what. You see me I say? I don't agree with that. So that's one of the reasons why I said that I think that the situation could have been dealt with better. You see me I say? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, you can let me know what you think about this edited video or about the incident. You see me? You can let me know if you think the police officer used unnecessary force. You see me? And so on. You see me? You can also tell me if you think I am wrong about what I said or if I am right about what I said. You see me? You can let me know what you think overall about the thing. Alright? So anyways, viewers and subscribers, this whole thing is being talked about on social media. So I bring this edited video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can take a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to also keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?